John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Hasib. Hasib is one of our traders on the FTP program. Hasib has been trading with AudaCity Capital from the 11th of January up until the present date of review, 25th of March 2021. Hasib is managing 30,000 US dollars on level 2 of the FTP program. He has maintained a daily gain of 0.14%, a monthly gain of 4.30%, and a drawdown of 8.31%. Looking at the account, we can see the biggest times that we did experience a drawdown was for 7.43% and 7.26% in on February the 4th, on 28th of January, and the 1st of March. But looking at the equity growth as well, the drawdown was not significantly bad. So we're down by minus 93469, $907.9, $898. But as we're going up now, we can see the drawdowns reducing, 48683, $29.06. Now we still have drawdown, but we're in the positive territory. So Hasib has now managed the account effectively, where he's preserving the balance and the account is growing at a steady state. Hasib has achieved this milestone with a total of 77 trades. Looking at the advanced statistics, he's won 46 out of 77, which represents 60% accuracy with his chosen trading plan and technique and strategy. Lost 31 out of 77, which represents 40%. So you can be right or wrong in trading, but always end up in profit. Hasib has done very well, and congratulations in achieving 10% and moving on to the next level. Going on down to the summary, we can see Hasib has traded quite a number of pairs. So his pairs range from the Aussie pairs, the Australian cross pairs, a few yen pairs, a few euro pairs, a few dollar pairs, the pound, euro, and a few Swiss franc pairs. Looking at the P&L, we can see it's quite mixed up. We got reds and greens, but out of all the pairs traded, we can see the most traded pair has been the pound Japanese yen. But unfortunately, that's not resulting in profit. But the biggest gainers were the pound CAD, the pound New Zealand dollar, and the US dollar CAD, followed by the Swiss franc yen and the euro AUD. So moving forward, I always like to offer some suggestions and some tips. And I'll share some tips with Hasib moving forward, not taking nothing away from your achievement, but as a trader, there's always room for improvement. Like for example, don't stay in losing trades. Have a trading plan, which I clearly believe you have, because if not, you won't be getting these results. Always have a disciplined approach to taking your trades. Take low risk, high reward trades. Always back test your strategy for at least 5 hours a day to see a bit of consistency. Read a few books on psychology, maybe books from Mark Douglas. Trading in the Zone is a very good book, and you can watch a YouTube video about that. Also, read management books as well, like Managing Your Trade, the psychological mindset. That plays an important part. Trade what you understand by sticking to the pairs that make you money, which is the pound New Zealand dollar, the pound CAD, and the Swiss franc yen, and the Australian US dollar. Also, have a bit of support. Join the AudaCity community app on the Apple Store or the Android and Google Play Store, where you can network with like-minded individuals and share your ideas. And if you're not sure about a trade and if you're in doubt, the best thing to do is just stay on the sideline. You don't lose any money by not trading. So these are just a few tips I'll recommend moving forward to help you on your journey, because not taking nothing away from your achievement, this is a very good trading account. So looking at from when you started, Your monthly analytics, you were down in January by minus 5.26%, but in February you came up by 8.41%, and in March at this present date, we've not finished March yet, we're still going, you got 7.93%. So moving forward, Hasib, I wish you all the best with your trading. I'm very confident you're a good trader and you'll be progressing very quickly onto the later stages of the FTP program. So please just take a few of my tips on board, not taking nothing away from you. You can always improve on what you're doing to be better. Also, execute your trading plan with no hesitation. Review your trades before you execute them. Choose liquid pairs. Check the fundamentals on my FX calendar. More importantly, choose a time frame that complements your trading style. That's very important. And just looking at a few of your trades randomly here, we can see your gains. So we're looking at your trades here. Let's just see yeah, we got 80 trades in total. You see, we got consistent lot sizes. I like seeing that. But please, I always tell my traders, always have a stop loss in place, because when you don't have a stop loss, you're opening the room for uncertainty, hesitation, excessive loss, trading with no plan, and uncertain and a loss of money, basically loss of pips. All that hard work would be for nothing. So please always make sure you have a stop loss in place. It's very important, and that protects the drawdown. Having a stop loss will also reduce your drawdown. This is down to money management, and the key thing about trading over the years I've learned, when you can manage risk, you open the door to exponential profit. So please always just take my tips on board, not taking nothing away from your achievement. You've done well. And also look at the market sentiment, your price action, the candlestick patterns, your entry point, your exit point, your risk. Is the market in an accumulation stage, a manipulation stage? Is it trending? Are there liquidity hunts in the market? And more importantly, are you over leveraging your position? So these are things you can take on board to increase your chances of being more successful on the FTP program. Discipline and consistency will always get you to the end of your journey. Hasib, I wish you all the best. You're a very good trader. And please take my tips on board, not taking nothing away from your achievement. This is a well accomplished achievement. And again, for the fact that you've only been trading from the 11th of January up until this present date, just over 2 months, there's definitely room for growth and more success here. And I wish you all the best on your journey.